Zero PME Gua, Sadi Salimia Alaming Glabapia. So, here we are a chicken body baraka, a tamata, a tamamia lesingani, Piale Chusulai Parapia. So, last week we already talked about classroom language and also we already talked about classroom things. So, this week, let's talk about animals. So, look at this. So, let's go to the zoo together. So, firstly, look at the picture and what animals can you see in that picture? So, and I will give you some minutes to look at this picture. So, what do you see in the picture? So, an example, you can see lion here in the picture. Lion, this one is lion. So what animal can you see in the picture? So let's talk about that. I hope that you have been to the zoo. The first one, lion. Lion. Where is lion? Okay. So this one is lion. This is lion. Lion. And next one, monkey. Monkey. So there are two monkey here in the picture. Monkey. So next one, elephant. Elephant here. Baby elephant and mother elephant. Here, two elephants. Elephant. Elephant. So we can see elephant in the zoo. I hope you have been to the zoo. Horse. 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 So is there horse in the picture? I can see that in the picture, is right? So horse is also a kind of animals. So next one, penguin. Here. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 penguins in this picture. So, and next one, seal. Seal. They are playing ball here. So seal. So 1, 2. 2 seals in this picture. Seal. So bear. Bear. Okay. Here. 2 baby bear. 1, 2, and mother bear. So 1, 2, 3. There are 3 balls in the picture. So next one, tiger. 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 So tiger is laid down here. Tiger. A tiger. Zebra. So there are 2 zebra in this picture. 1, 2. Zebra. Zebra. So next one, giraffe. Giraffe. Giraffe is an animal which has long neck. So this is giraffe. 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 Okay, so and let's practice those again. And I will give you the hints and please tell me. So, and it is yellow color and it is dangerous for the people. What animal is it? What animal is it? Yes, lion. This one. Lion. 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 Very good. And I will turn next animal. So, it lives in the water or in cool area and it is small animals. What animal is it? It has beak as well. What animal is it? Yes, you are right. Penguin. Here, so this is penguin. Okay, they like cold water, is right? Penguin. Is rare to see in Myanmar because Myanmar is hot. So ဒီဗီဒီယိုကpenguinကတော့မြန်မာနိုင်ငံမှာတော့ညီပို့ nene khakere bono ba so to A တဲ့ data တွေမှာပို့ပြီးတော့တွေ့ရတယ် A ကြိုက်တဲ့တိရစ္ဆာန်လေးတွေဖြစ်တယ်ပေါ့နော် Okay, next one. It has brown colors and it is dangerous for the people as well. So we can see in Mandalay Zoo. So what animal is it? It is not small animal, it is big. What animal is it? Yes, you are right. Bear, bear, bear. So there are 3 bears here in this picture. 1, 2, 3. 2 baby bears and 1 mother bear. So bear. So next one, it is big and mostly we can see such animals in the zoo and in the forest as well. So what animal is it? It has gray color. So it is elephant. Yes, elephant. It is elephant here. There are 2 elephants in this picture. Good. So next one. Animal which has long neck and its color is yellow and brown. What animal is it? Giraffe. Here, giraffe. G-I-R-A-F-F-E. Giraffe. 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 Look down to me, no? Giraffe. So this is giraffe. Giraffe. I think we can see giraffe in the zoo in Nepido. So Nepido got the legs that we in the mat giraffe go in G-I-R-A-F-F-E. Giraffe. Giraffe. Okay, so next one. So it is an animal which live in the water and and they live in the water like penguin, but and we can see in Myanmar very often, it's seal. Seal. So this is seal. Seal. In Burmese, we say pian, is right? Seal. 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 Good. And the last one, and it is an animal which live on the tree or on the ground, and also they hang on the tree. So, and they like banana very much. This animal is monkey. 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 Okay. So the last one is it has stripe. The color is yellow and black. So this animal is dangerous for us. So if you go to the forest and you can see such kind of animals, what animal is it? Tiger. Good. Tiger. This one is tiger. 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 Very good. Okay, let's practice those vocab again. Lion. Lion. L-I-O-N. Lion. Lion. L-I-O-N. Lion. Next one. Monkey. Monkey. Next one. Elephant. 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 Horse. Horse. Penguin. Penguin. Next one. Seal. 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 This is bear. 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 This is tiger. 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 Next one. Zebra. 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 And the last one. Giraffe. 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 Okay. these are the vocabulary that we learned today. I mean, the Biruga now the lesson a miaishi did ero mono balawa mesuro go badago the chata lesson video English blue police round Biruga shabiro chitayame. Okay, so these animals so can clarify in 3 types. The Biruga D animals the lesson you Biruga Musa Tomyu Quelu Share the Musa Tomyu Queame Quelu Yares Rokajaro. So next so white animals. So white animals and means that they grow the animal which grows naturally and they don't need any help from humans. So white animals get up, blue like some police through the power layout torema lide, white animals correct. Like an example, tiger. Tiger can live in the forest without harming of human, is right? So tiger or lion or elephant, maybe sometime is right. Elephant, wild animal. So I'm utilizing new wild animals, correct? And another one is pets. Pets, P-E-T-S. Pets mean that so like the pets gataro videoga ko ye di aim ma mwe thare the lesson li lu bare so yi pets look correct pets like an example dog cat or sometimes maybe fish is right these are pets and another different kinds of animal is called farm animals and means that they keep in a farm to get let's say something from this animal. An example, the cow get milk. That's right. It's produce milk for the farmers. Farm animals get a balloon animals to call it lady dema le the money through when you change way tare the lesson upama noa so ye and one yare and the lesson farm animals to correct an example cow sheep goat or something like that. So and I hope that you will understand we can clarify 3 different kinds of animals. So the first one is white animals. The second one is pets. And the third one is farm animals. So, and maybe white animals such as tiger, lion, etc. So pets, dog, cat, fish. And next one, farm animals, sheep. So in the video of young sabu, the mamo through it, moody body. Young sabu, the mamo through it, the atari through go down like this. So in Kenya, which are it, like so today, that's all for today. And I want you to practice or to find more vocabulary about animals. So, just in your Maria, Pierre Piro not lesson to Kuma, Tapiro, Tribamapia, Tinega wrote Laube, Pierre Piro, animals never that day, now tat, Sakalon, you, Shabido, De La Tabo, Titan Maria, Jesu Maria.